a lot of groceries for you ain't never ate from. Girl, mommy. I told y'all yesterday
Excuse me? Oh yeah, you need one? That's cool.
welcome back to my channel. It's breelishell. I'm breelishell if y'all didn't know. So it is the next, well, it's the next day for me, but this is probably another week for y'all. Yesterday I got all moved in, and today I am about to go grocery shopping. We're gonna put everything where it goes. So in the last video I showed y'all that I got my bed set up. So happy, slept in my bed, it feels amazing. There's still stuff everywhere. Look at my TV. My TV is sitting on my mattress box. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. Because just don't say nothing about it. If you got a problem with it, baby, buy me some furniture. I'm just playing, but everything is gonna come together. I am in no rush to get things. I'm just glad that I'm here. I need to get my stuff situated. I really don't know what I want to do, like decor wise, so I just want to get a feel for it first. I do have some things coming. So you go to the grocery store. I don't have a list or anything. I already have like my seasoning, so I don't need to buy any seasonings. So I'm really just gonna look around and whatever catches my eyes, what I'm going to cart. It's probably a bad idea, but I literally can't think. Just a tip. My first apartment, when I went grocery shopping, I was buying the things that like my mama would buy, like stuff that we had in our house. But then when I bought them, it's like I didn't even eat half of the things. So basically, get what you're gonna eat. It may be better to just buy what you're gonna eat for that week, because groceries are expensive. I know that I'm going to have to start cooking. I cooked in my last apartment, but I've been eating out like crazy. It shouldn't be that much because honestly I don't just eat a lot of things. We're gonna see once we get to the store, and you guys are gonna come with me, and then later on we are going to put things where they belong in this apartment. Yeah, I'm already ready. I got up, it is 8:51, so I'm probably just gonna head to the store before people get there, because I am gonna be recording and I don't want nobody in my business, period. I wonder if you can hear it. He said she's a YouTuber. This is so embarrassing. Now, put this camera on. These people looking at me like I'm crazy. I need to start venturing out and vlogging out, because I'm finna be full time. This is finna be my job. Like, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I'm just gonna show y'all what I put in my bag because I'm getting nervous. As y'all can see, I'm sweating again. The moving process is over, but I had to carry all these groceries. I don't have any suggestions on what to do, something that will help me carry these groceries upstairs. I don't have an elevator. It's just one flight of stairs. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that every time. And what if it's raining or something? I just got back home from grocery shopping. I went to Aldi's, Walmart, and Dollar Tree. So grocery haul, I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Aldi's first, and then I'm gonna start putting these things up. I'm actually in love with the Aldi's that I have. But I got some pink salmon. I I got some chicken pot stickers. I just had some pot stickers for the first time from this restaurant I just tried, and they were really good. So when I saw these, I was like, I want them. I got some fettuccine noodles, cheeses, got some broccoli brand, yeah, Slim Jim. Got some cheese, got some turkey meat, and I also got eggs from there. Bread. I got another, oh, I also got these little juices. Hopefully these like give the Minute Maid juice. This one, I got some Korean style barbecue chicken. That looks really good. I'm probably gonna eat that over some rice or something. Got some grapes, kombucha, some Alfredo sauce. That's it from the Aldi. And I'll show y'all what I got from Walmart. I got some chicken breasts, shrimp, sausage. When I shop and get food, my meat consists of chicken, shrimp, and salmon. I got me some Totino's pizzas. Y'all don't know nothing about them. Toaster strudels. I got the 6-pack just because I just want to taste it and bring back my childhood. But after I eat those, I'm not getting no more because I really don't need those. Got some crescent rolls, lettuce, soft taco shells. I think I want to make chicken tacos. Oh, and I also got a mango. I'm excited to eat this mango. Got jasmine rice. I got some pineapple chunks that's in coconut water. They got them at Walmart. So these are just like the chunks, but at Sam's they have like the big chunk of pineapples in a bigger jar, and I've had those before, and I seen that Walmart had some, so I wanted to try those. And then I just got some ranch teriyaki sauce. I put this on my salmon when I cook it. My purchase from Aldi was $60. My purchase from Walmart was $90, and that's so good. Like, when you're shopping, especially if it's just you, make sure you just get stuff that you're gonna need, you know you're gonna eat. And that's why with them pizzas, I only got 2, because I know like if I get a whole bunch, I'm just gonna let them sit there and freeze dry. That is a lot of groceries for $160 just for one person. I think I did very good. I'm proud of myself. Yeah. So I'm about to put all this stuff up into the refrigerator and where it needs to go, and I'm gonna eat, and then later on we're gonna start unpacking these boxes. And I know when I put this stuff in the refrigerator and the freezer, it's gonna look like I ain't got nothing. I know it is. It looks like a lot right here, but I swear I know when I put it in the refrigerator, it's gonna look like nothing. See y'all later. Y'all ready for the reveal? Told y'all I knew it. It looked like I have nothing. I have nothing. And that's what the freezer. That's what the freezer looks like. I just put all of the packed stuff up here. Meat's down here. Don't mind. Don't know. About to warm my food up. Relax. Watch a little YouTube. Oh, they soggy. This is what my food looks like. If you ain't never ate from the Walmart deli, he's soggy. I hate that for me. Okay, so it's definitely time for me to start unpacking this stuff, or just moving it where it needs to be so it's not like just looking a mess. I've been dreading this, y'all. Like, I'll talk to y'all maybe a little bit before 1. It is 4:30 now. So I was exhausted. My whole body is sore. I think that I'm gonna go ahead and start with my room, because I really don't have to do anything but put stuff in my closet. Just all this stuff is just storage with my clothes in it. I look a mess. Like, y'all don't mind how I look. I promise I'm gonna get it together, but right now it's not really my main focus. Ever since I The stuff that's in those boxes, I'm not gonna put up yet because I'm still waiting on furniture. The best thing to do is start in this kitchen. So, as of right now, I don't really have things to organize, but this is stuff from my last apartment. It's like cleaning products. I'm probably going to keep all this in the box until I do get some organized stuff. And I also bought some more, so I gotta put that together. It's gonna fit. I may have to take out the box. I think the box should be. I didn't use this. When I packed this stuff up together, it was wow. Oh, I do have a scrub mommy. My last apartment, I put my seasonings in the cabinets above the microwave, but in my old apartment, the cabinets were a little bit shorter, so I was able to reach. But baby, I got a seasoning cabinet. It's called a little spice cabinet. So basically, it just hot sauce so bad. Real dishes in it, and let's just hope and pray that my glass dishes in here did not break. Hey y'all, it's the next day. So I'm cooking my first meal today. Now I got my chicken on. Then I got my Mexican rice in the rice cooker. We eat the chicken tacos tonight, and I'm actually starving. What time is it? It's been what? Today is Sunday, so Friday, Saturday, I spent 2 nights. I haven't spent the night by myself yet. So tonight is gonna be my first night actually sleeping here by myself. I'm gonna show y'all my food when it's done. We're gonna eat real good because I'm starving. I'm starving.
I know my food yet.
The chicken is all shredded. This smells like regular tacos. The phone, the thing got foggy. Okay, so tell me why I did not push this down to cook. It's been just sitting here, so the rice ain't even almost done getting cooked. It just been sitting in the water. Wow, I haven't used my rice cooker in so long, y'all. I'm so weird about rice. I love rice actually, but like my rice has to be a certain texture. I don't want no mushy gushy rice. I don't want it too hard. I want my rice sticky almost. I showed y'all yesterday these the taco things I got.
Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Fucking two bitches at one time. Could've made me choose to get dependent on my life. One's that Spanish and one's that white. Ooh, and my tattoo is on her body. Whoa, there's no controlling her when she's on that money. When she's rolling that body. When she's talking that soft slick. Hard to get off in these baby niggas. Oh, you like it. I can pretend on the floor if you like it. If y'all keep fucking me more, then y'all might be bad for me. Y'all might make me lose my mind.
It's my food. Let me tell you about my food. It looks so good. Not gonna lie, I'm about to bust this food down. Like, I'm finna do it so dirty just because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten nothing today. Maybe the end of the video. If it is, I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe if you aren't already, and yeah, love y'all. Bye.